Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 6th, 2018, and we have our little wax begonia seedlings here. We started these on January the 25th, and they started coming up on January the 31st. And I took them out about 3 days ago and put them under the lights. I'm in the process of moving my lights closer, but I have them up right now so you can see the little seedlings. And you can see here they're starting to get their true leaves. So these are already moist, and I will be leaving a link below in the description for how I water my peat pellets before I feed my seedlings, because we don't want to feed a dry plant while we're spurring the root system. And I also did an experiment with putting some wax begonias, planting the seeds, and seed starting mix. So I'll show you those real quick. And these are our little wax begonias in the seed starting mix. They were started on January the 26th. And they did not start getting their true leaves yet, so we're not going to feed them yet. I just wanted to show them to you. So, because these are getting their true leaves, we're going to be feeding them today. Now, how I feed my begonia seedlings is I take a 1/4 teaspoon of the Miracle-Gro all-purpose water-soluble plant food, and I put it in a gallon of warm water, and you mix it up really well. And then I take a 1/2 teaspoon of the mixed up Miracle-Gro that we just mixed up, and I mix it with 16.9 flow ounces of warm water, and I shake it up real good. Now, you're not going to really see that it has even any color to it, but they don't need that much nutrients. I have my plant food mixed here, and I have a little eyedropper here, and I'm just going to give them about 1 to 2 drops per seedling that has the 3rd leaf coming on them. And I think there's only, okay, there's another one back here. And the reason why we feed our seedlings is because we want to develop a strong, healthy root system on them. A strong root system it's going to really help your plant take off. It's going to allow it to absorb the nutrients, the water that it needs. To me, it's like the basics of a plant. So feeding the root system and getting that food there and getting them off to a good start is really good. So we'll feed these once a week with this mixture. And as they start growing and maturing, I will come back with more videos. I did do a playlist that's on my channel, and I will leave a link below for that as well, and you can go check that out. So that's how I feed my begonia seedlings. That's how I feed all of my begonia seedlings. It doesn't matter if they're wax begonias, tuberous begonia seedlings. I feed all of them the same way, and the basic key principles apply to all of them. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I will try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button that'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.